As someone in the maintenance and repair business, you know your clients sometimes experience unexpected problems and they rely on you to keep them going when that happens. When a tank car requires repair or requalification, they trust you to figure out how they can get back on track. But it is hard to keep every replacement part in your shop. So when you need seals, go to chemtransportsealshop.com where you can easily find the valve repair kits and components you need. Simply add the parts you need to the shopping cart and complete the checkout process. And as part of Trelleborg Sealing Solutions, we ship directly from the Trelleborg warehouse. You can get the seals you need with the ease you want, so you can fix that tank car and get it back on the track quickly. Your clients rely on you, and you can rely on the Chemical Transportation Seal Shop.